Welcome back to another video, guys. I'm in a smart 2021 electric vehicle and using the latest Autel. Now another thing I was going to go through as well is like the electric vehicles. It does work pretty well with electric vehicles, so I have tried it on Skoda Enyaq, VW ID3, this smart also. What else? I've tried on various different vehicles and the Mini as well, Mini electric. So yeah, they all work. So what we're going to do, I'm just going to do a full scan so you get a basic idea of what it can do and what it can't with electric vehicles. But then again, every car is different, so you got to just remember some of the like coding and programming you can do is different to a normal, a normal car, petrol, should we say. So here we are. It's done the full scan anyway, and on here we're getting this like fault. It keeps saying like battery, but obviously I know why that comes up is because the door was open, the roof light was working, and how can I put it? It's drained its small battery out, not the car big battery. There's a smaller one. I can't remember where it is, whether it's in the front or. Sure, it's at the front. Anyway, that's causing that fault to happen, and you can't even recharge it as well. So what you need to do is recharge the battery, because I take it's this code here. It's that code. You got to recharge the small battery. Once that's full and it's okay, then you can charge the car itself. But yeah, I mean, if I just do a quick erase. It's taking a bit of time here, but so what you'll have to do is just plug battery in and just charge it up, and then once that's done you can do another full scan and clear, and it should erase the fault. But that's how you'd overcome this problem here. But other than this, so